Welcome to another video on my driving robot discovery based on the fischertechnik TXT controller running embedded Linux, driven by battery pack, using two touch sensors, active sonar, LED to signal changes and distance difference, as well as right here propeller to indicate that the algorithm is running. Objective is still to make it run in a straight way without the camera, which should have been mounted here, but almost for a year now there is a problem with the kernel, and I haven't set back the old kernel yet, so no computer vision, but sonar and modeling using Blender. And logging the data has proven to be inconsistent. Well, the data, not the logging. Why does it deviate from its straight course? Still don't know. What I do know is that the encoder motors that are here never will be the same. Same model of motor will run different. So trying to make sense of the data, some tryouts and modeling with Blender. That is focus of this episode. So let's boot it. Hopefully the battery pack is charged enough to do that, and then run it. Right, I have booted and changed to the default user interface, logged on here, and I still have to log on here, which goes nicely. Then a test and change IP address here. Alright, go for what? Well, let me change this a bit. So, does this work? Yes. Does the other one work? Obviously. Sonar does work, but I still have to select it, ultrasonic, 12 centimeters, and that is quite alright. Voltage, of course, it says 9, which is quite alright with me. That means that I now only have to check for driving. So motor 1, yep. Other one, yep. Fine with me. So let's go for the testing, where this terminal is for the encoder, and I still have to set the date, because now it is 9:04 and it is 20:10 in the evening. And that's it. So now for some nice running. better keep it in hand. So let's go. And yeah, stop it. This is not what I expected at all, but it shows that a course not being straight can be expected still. So let me put it back onto its position. Somewhere there. By the way, let's look at the data a bit. And yes, it does go forward nicely by 2, and here difference of 6, 2. No big differences here. But why does it, yeah, sorry for the shaking of the camera, it's not a steady cam, but why does it go astray anyway? So run it one more time. What does it do? Another one. Wait. I think I know why. Because it may be that the right side or this wheel isn't set straight. So let me do that once more. Just could be. So now the wheel is set in a straight line. Hard to see, but it is. So let's see again. Will this make a difference? Oh yes. Okay, that does make a difference. One more time to make sure this was not a coincidence. Wheels straight and go. Yeah, okay, so that was a big difference. Alright, so yeah, this wheel must be in a straight line and then go straight. Although it should matter because the motors should pull it straight. So that's a question as well. Alright, so with this one, and with the model, I have a little problem. This is black, this is red, this is red, and this is red, but when I change this color, this changes with it. So let me just take this one. That's what happens. I'm not happy with this. So I change color again a little bit. Alright. How to deal with this, apart from the fact that this isn't good, could be a lot better. So if I go to location, that's the better. Kind of at least something. Rotation. And down a bit. Somewhat better, but what I'm going to do now is adding an object, a cube, and change its color. Is that better? Well, let's just see it. See, this is happening without a problem. And I think I know why this is missing, because I copied all it. I copied everything. This color is a pain to my eyes. Slightly better. I'd rather have it black. Alright. Higher, and then scale it. Scale. Something like this. Not quite though. So that will be better. So alright, if I remove them all, I could be there. Just a little test. Duplicate, yes. And now going for color again. Just for this one. Nope, you see, and that's the menace. I shouldn't have copied. So this one is gone. Which one is cube 1? That is cube 1. No, that is cube 1. This is the first one, the rest has to go. Not that nice, but it's the best. By far the best. To get everything going. Each cube the same, or each cube a new one. So this one will stay, and then I have to select them. Oh right, this is the same thing. I forgot about it. That's also copied. Oh come on. All of them go, including of course these two, gone, and build them all again. And now that's going to be a challenge. But it's the best I can do, unfortunately, and that's it. I have to save it nicely. So there's some work to do. And with that not so nice conclusion from Blender, let's say goodbye. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion. Very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. If you like what you see, please make a donation via either PayPal or Wired. And you can also choose to become a patron, and depending on the pledge you make, you may have your name mentioned on my website and with my videos. This is obviously going to be continued. More information under this video, with social media, Patreon page, website, etc. And on my website is a lot more. Have a nice day, and bye bye.